Okay, good morning from the shop. It's Brian. Follow up on Dina's question. I have a pair of scissors here. They are American made, Acme USA, hot forged tool steel. Okay, these have been shop scissors of mine for a long time. I cut fiberglass with them, mat, whatever it takes. I cut whatever. They're pretty dull. Okay. So they're slightly loose. That's pretty good actually. They're not supposed to slap shut, but they're supposed to move freely. So these aren't bad. They're a little dirty, but I'm gonna not clean them, and I'm gonna run them through the test. Okay, that's all I did.